Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Palantir Technologies' fourth quarter fiscal 2024 earnings. We'll cover key financial performance metrics and dig into insights from the earnings call. All right, let's go. Starting with top-line revenue, the original estimate for Q4 was $775.8 million. The company actually reported revenue of $827.5 million, surpassing expectations by 6.7%. This quarterly revenue also marked a healthy 36% increase compared to the $608.4 million reported in the same quarter last year. Moving to adjusted earnings per share, the original estimate for Q4 was 11 cents. The company actually reported an EPS of 14 cents, exceeding expectations by 27.3%. This result also reflects a significant 75% increase compared to the 8 cents per share reported in the same quarter last year. Now, let's dive into some additional performance metrics highlighted during the earnings call. First and foremost, Palantir absolutely crushed it with their Rule of 40 score, hitting 81 in Q4. For those unfamiliar, the Rule of 40 is a key software company metric combining growth and profitability. And Palantir didn't just beat it, they doubled it. The U.S. commercial business was on fire, growing 64% year-over-year, showing just how quickly American enterprises are adopting Palantir's AI solutions. Customer growth was equally impressive, with total customers up 43% to 711, demonstrating strong market penetration. The company landed record-breaking deals in Q4, booking $1.8 billion in total contract value. Their free cash flow margin hit an incredible 63% for the quarter, showing the business's strong ability to convert growth into cash. And speaking of deals, their total remaining deal value grew 40% to $5.43 billion, providing great visibility into future revenue. Now, let's shift focus to some of the key insights and takeaways from the earnings call. The AI revolution is clearly driving rapid adoption, particularly in the U.S. market. Companies are realizing they need to move fast or risk falling behind, and Palantir is becoming the go-to solution for enterprises wanting to operationalize AI quickly. A fascinating aspect that came up repeatedly was Palantir's ontology, their secret sauce that helps enterprises actually implement AI effectively. While other companies focus on building AI models, Palantir has built the infrastructure to make AI truly operational in complex organizations. The competition with Chinese AI capabilities was a hot topic, particularly with the release of DeepSeek R1. Palantir's leadership emphasized that this is becoming an AI arms race, with national security implications that extend far beyond just business competition. One surprising revelation was how dramatically sales cycles have shortened. Customers are seeing results in days or weeks that used to take months or years, driving rapid adoption and expansion. The contrast between U.S. and European markets was stark. While U.S. growth is booming, European growth was just 4%, highlighting cultural differences in AI adoption. The company's focus on government and defense work is also increasing, with significant expansions in military contracts and capabilities. Palantir emphasized their role in making America's defense capabilities more lethal while maintaining ethical principles. Looking at all this together, we're seeing Palantir emerge as a key player in what they're calling the winner-take-all AI economy. Their combination of commercial success and government partnerships, particularly in the U.S., positions them uniquely in the market. As CEO Alex Karp emphasized, this is just the beginning of the AI revolution, and Palantir is positioning itself to be a cornerstone company driving this transformation, particularly in the U.S. market over the next 3 to 5 years. That wraps up our recap of Palantir Technologies' fourth quarter fiscal 2024 earnings. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.